Uh-oh, Shin Sonic doesn't look too good. I like ribs, but save some for Sonic. Looks like someone needs a new heart. But you're in good hands with Dr. Amy. Besides, we've got just the cure for broken hearts. Our special Shin Sonic game book. Let's start by getting things cooking. Well, someone's sure sharing their smile today. A treasure chest. Shame we don't have the key. That's okay. Give Sonic a trim in his mouth. He's got a lot stuck in his teeth. Like the key. Cut it out. Oh, I hope it fits. It does! Look at the treasure. It's just what we need. Oh, Young Hee, what big hands you've got. Looks like the Squid Game's about to start. Come on, racers, to your mark. Let's start the countdown. And let's go! Hey, I saw that, Eggman. Get up, Amy. Just remember one important rule. Cheaters never prosper. Well, he's out of the race. It's anyone's game now. Oh, well, I guess sometimes you just have a bad day. Come on, Amy. Here's your big chance. I mean, sure, you already win by default. Aw, Amy's such a gem. And speaking of gems, looks like this time the gem comes to us. Ooh, guess I spoke too soon. Hey, where'd it go? Careful, Sonic. It's rock candy, minus the candy. Well, it looks like we have to play a game to get it. We landed on teeth. Talk about compacted. Now we've got the teeth. Careful, he bites. It's okay. I think he's just hungry. Ramen to the rescue. Wow, it's the kind that comes with a fork. And look, dried vegetables. Wow, now that's classy. Of course, the pièce de résistance, the seasoning. Add water, unless you like it crunchy. Oh, looks so good. Come on, Sonic, want a bite? See, now isn't that better than gems? Ooh, a balloon game. Add a punch to liven things up. Come on now, third time's the charm. Of course, a balloon's gotta pop. Just look at all the fun things inside. And look, there's even a minifig. Let's put on a new face. Plus some arms. Your coworkers wouldn't recognize you. Okay then, thanks for all the slime. But let's clean you off. Much better. Ooh, guess cleanup comes with a tip. Ooh, Eggman's got eggs. Seems pretty on brand. Guess Sonic wants to help. Let's get cracking. Cool. This one's got slime inside. I wonder what's in here. A new Sonic head. Sure you don't want to try it on? Oh hey, this one's got blocks and more slime. Aw, Eggman, this one's got your everything. Oh, if it isn't our favorite echidna. Granted, I don't know too many echidnas. We really gotta dig deep for this prize. Ooh, talk about a diamond in the rough. Are you sure it's real? Better test it out. Even better, it's just the gem we need. The Sonic players are putting on a show. It's time to put on makeup. It's time to light the lights. Guess Eggman didn't pass the audition. Wow, an actor's life is not for me. But just watch what a little pressure can do. Ooh, how are we gonna get it out? Sorry, Sonic, you might feel a slight pinch. Let's gather around the table. Plate. Thirsty? We've got delicious, nutritious water! Combine your colors! Reach for the stars! Ooh, let's take some rainbow for ourselves. I think our friend Sponge Amy's feeling parched. See? A little color sure livened her up. And she's not the only sponge around here. Wow! Sonic really pops off the page! Sponge! A gem! I think there's something special about this one. Oh, don't you just love being right? With all the gems combined, we've got a heart! And we know who needs this most of all. Probably should put back that rib cage. Now seal him up. I think someone's feeling a lot better. Come on, open your eyes. Careful, I think he wants breakfast. Your Happy Meal's here, Binaria. Uh-oh, it doesn't look too happy now. Holy zoochosis! That's one spooky giraffe! Something really odd is going on here. We better take a closer look inside. He's got a whole zoo inside. Did he eat them? Uh-oh, guess it's a giraffe eat giraffe world. Well, this guy's gonna take a timeout. Just pretend you're back home in the zoo. Hey, now what are these guys up to? You forgot your toy. Look, it's an animal game book. Ooh, come into my parlor, said Ratty. Good idea. Let's free Spider Rad's lunch. Ratty must be using extra strength webbing. Ooh, looks like there's a worm in here. What's in here? It's a bunny, but where's the rest of it? Don't worry, we can fix you up. Guess we had spare spider parts. He's still kind of a mess. Let's check out how messy he really is. Ooh, bugs! Okay, it's squishing time. You know, I don't like the look of that amoeba either. Aw, soon it's a cute baby bunny again. Wow, never saw a star-nosed penguin before. Okay, this job is gonna take a net. Hold on, this penguin's gonna be a mommy. Let's give her a helping hand. Aw, happy birthday, little penguin. And that's not all. We've got triplets. But I think these eggs could use a good scratch. And just like that, they're Easter ready. Next up, the new mama could use some treatment. Ooh, it looks like a 24-hour bug. All better now. Now let's keep your babies warm. Happy birthday! Again! Oren, Simon, and a baby penguin. Just what we need. Next up, it looks like we're heading down under. Careful, this kangaroo bites. Didn't I tell you? Well, at least she's eating her greens. Let's look around for things to help. Just what we need, an emergency aid kit. Well, as long as it's not empty. Let's shed some light on things. Aha! I think that could be the antidote. It's important to make sure it's the right one. Aha! The green one's got a date with a marsupial. But first, we need to get it through the maze. Okay, we just need to make a few turns. Oh, I knew we should have packed a map. Here, let's try it in this mouth. Bottoms up. Aw, she's like a brand new kangaroo. Ooh, this guy would scare King Kong. It looks like we need to solve the banana maze. A toy ball is the best way to get the good times rolling. Yes! We got the first banana! And soon enough, we'll get number 2. But remember, we need 3. Third time's the charm. The magic banana! This should help. A coin? I know! We can use it to play this game! It's filled with all of our sprunky friends. Hold on, one of these guys is not like the others. Now this is just the gorilla we need. Wow, lions, tigers, and sprunkies, oh my! Let's give them a quick scan to be safe. Ooh, there's something off about that lion. Now this guy's a real chimera. But he's still no match for our lasso. This isn't what people usually mean by earworms. Now you might feel a slight pinch. Let's take care of those chompers. Don't worry about those extra arms. See, they practically take care of themselves. Now that's our king of the forest. Careful, something wicked this way comes. Take a look inside this paper craft. Or maybe not. It's kind of spooky. It escaped. It looks like the hippo. Okay, time for whack-a-mole, but with a hippo. Oh, just don't hurt any of the other animals. There he is! Oh no! Not the elephant! I know. Play coy. He's off guard. Attack! Now that he's out cold, we've earned a break. So, how about a little fishing trip? And while we're at it, we're cleaning up the ocean. You know, fresh fish is good for you. But maybe this can could help too. Good. He coughed up that bug that's been going around. Now this hippo's joining the collection. It's Mr. and Miss Tree and a spooky giraffe. The trees would run, but they've got roots here. But I think you guys could be real close. Just need to spend some time together. Just kidding. We're fixing this giraffe piece by piece. Stack them up. And make a few switches. Soon we'll have a healthy baby giraffe all over again. And he's the final animal friend we need. It's the antidote, just what the first giraffe needs. His shadow's looking better already. And look, it's another one of those bugs. Okay, you're off for good behavior. A day at the zoo's always an adventure.